Maybe you've heard me going on about cooking without recipes. And it's not that I have anything against recipes. I love cookbooks and I love family recipes. I think what I'm going on about is this idea that recipes have to be followed strictly and that any deviation is going to ruin the food. This way of looking at recipes, that's what's causing a lot of people to be frustrated with cooking and to almost, being afraid of doing something wrong. And people tell me all the time that they have a lot of cookbooks, but they never use them because it's too much hassle. So I think that recipes, whatever book they come from, are a living thing, like food, like language, like folk music. So they're always evolving, and in fact, they're inviting you to make them your own. And that's what I'm here to help you do. I can show you how to learn the principles behind the recipe so that you can take any recipe you like and make it your own.